Is it the right time to buy or sell Marathon Patent stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Marathon Patent. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 29, 2023. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any changes that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 14, 2023, our system has ranked Marathon Patent as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.11. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Marathon Patent has surpassed our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 156.16% since we first recommended buying it 32 days ago. So on average, it has provided a solid return of 4.88% per day since it was listed as a hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. It is positioned in the middle of this trend, indicating further potential for growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 119.57% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return ranging between 63.82% and 195.62%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 36.67% change in the stock's value over the next year. The potential return during this period is estimated to be between -45.67% and 81.16%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $12.76 to $42.55 after 1 year. Our latest update on Marathon Patent brings some interesting news. The stock price had quite a volatile ride on Friday, moving between $23.05 and $29.67. On the last day, the Marathon Patent stock price experienced a decrease of -16.44%, going from $28.11 to $23.49. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 28.72%, reaching a low of $23.05 and a high of $29.67. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 of them, showing a growth of 31.82% in the past 2 weeks. It's important to note that although the volume has increased by 25 million shares on the last day, the prices have fallen. This could be seen as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $3.37 billion worth of Marathon Patent shares were bought and sold, with a total of 143 million shares being traded. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price during this period was $31.30, while the lowest price was $3.25. Currently, the stock price is 24.95% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $7.81. It is also 71.85% below the all-time high, which was reached on November 9, 2021, with a price of $83.45. Analyst ratings. On Friday, September 23, 2022, it was reported that BTIG gave Mara a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, August 11, 2022, it was reported that Jefferies gave Mara a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, July 12, 2022, it was reported that B. Riley Securities gave Mara a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, June 24, 2022, it was reported that Cowen & Company gave Mara a market perform grade with an initialize action. On Friday, June 3, 2022, it was reported that BTIG gave Mara a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Marathon Patent stock a general rating of buy. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of strong sell. Let's analyze the signals for Marathon Patent. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for Marathon Patent stock. However, the long-term average indicates a buy signal. With the short-term average above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal, providing a positive forecast for the stock. As the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average around $26.17. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $15.93. Breaking through the short-term average will send a buy signal, while breaking through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, offers a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals that may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a 24.4% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume increased during the recent price decline, which could be an early warning sign that should be closely monitored. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 28 days ago. The short-term moving average points to a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 45 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 37 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages points to a buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Marathon Patent. When it comes to support levels, there are a couple to keep in mind. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $22.10 and $21.97. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the current support is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. For Marathon Patent, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $21.97 and $17.82. Now, let's talk about risk. This stock is considered to be very high risk due to its volatility. Throughout the day, Marathon Patent can experience significant price movements. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a very large prediction interval. So, it's important to be aware of this risk factor. Looking at recent data, in the last day, the stock moved $6.62 between its high and low, which represents a 28.72% difference. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 13.86%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Marathon Patent, let's go over some important fundamental information. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $0.0600. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we're going to analyze potential day trading levels for Marathon Patent. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $24.78. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Marathon Patent has its first support level at $22.10. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The combined average rating for Marathon Patent from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On December 8, 2023, Swami ASHU conducted an insider buy of 146,617 shares of common stock. On December 8, 2023, Swami ASHU conducted an insider sell of 12,430 shares of common stock. On December 8, 2023, Swami ASHU conducted an insider sell of 1,405 shares of common stock. On December 8, 2023, Swick Adam Michael conducted an insider buy of 24,035 shares of common stock. On December 8, 2023, Swick Adam Michael conducted an insider sell of 2,300 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 52.916. Overall, insiders have purchased a total of 2,757,188 shares and sold 904,143 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.38, which represents a decrease of 4.74%. This particular stock is known for its significant daily movements, which in turn pose a considerable level of risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 2 days ago. Is Marathon Patent stock a good buy? While Marathon Patent holds several positive signals, we believe that it is not yet a strong buy candidate. At the current level, it is recommended to hold or accumulate this position and await further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, January 2nd, we anticipate Marathon Patent to open up by $1.91 and start trading at $25.40. Before we begin, it's important to keep in mind that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions related to securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. Also, let us know what your target for the stock is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.